welcome back to our second annual spring event. Today, we're introducing two new AI-powered features, starting with Wireframer. Describe the page you want to make, and Wireframer generates a clean, neutral layout that's ready for you to make your own. Wireframer's focus is on structure, not style, because we think that's still best handled by you. But AI isn't just helpful for whole pages, which is why we made Workshop. Custom code components generated on the fly, no actual coding required. Once you submit your prompt, you'll see your new component generate right on the canvas. And because it's Framer, you've got properties to adjust everything to your liking. But that's not all. Today, analytics take a massive leap forward in Framer with A/B testing and funnels. And vector editing in Framer has been rebuilt from the ground up, letting you seamlessly draw and edit paths anywhere on the canvas. Build and scale your own icon libraries, and create next-level animations and micro-interactions without ever leaving Framer. If you've been on the fence, let these updates be your sign. It's time.